Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. The authorities say the operator of an illegal mine has been given a list of things to correct the damage which has been done in the Great Bay area of St. Elizabeth. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says a strict timeline is also in place to get the work done. More in this primetime news follow-up.
As promised, a team of government agency officials and policymakers met with residents and other stakeholders in the Great Bay area of St. Elizabeth on Saturday. The meeting became necessary after the authorities received the reports of illegal sand mining in the area. The Commissioner of Mines, Roy Nicholson, immediately made it clear that the operation in the area is not approved.
No permit, no quarry license was granted for this particular location. And I must hastily state that all quarry licenses are site specific. So if you go outside of where you are licensed, even 100 feet outside of where your license permits you, you would be doing an illegal operation.
The operator of the site now has a list of measures to undertake as part of the corrective work.
So the agency also served an enforcement notice. And whenever we serve an enforcement notice, it means that your activity has serious threat to the natural resources. And what the enforcement notice dictates is that the operator should cease the activity, return the sand that was removed, and rehabilitate the dune, that is, return the form and shape of the dune that has been disturbed, as well as revegetate it. And a timeline has been given for this, and we will be monitoring it. If there is failure to comply, then the agency has the option of taking the person to court.
Residents said the mining of the sand dunes started about a month ago, and they became worried as the dunes serve as barriers to protect their community against flooding.
If you remember about the time when we were blocked in down here with the water in 2005, I think it was, and we couldn't get out, we had to use sailboats to go through. And if we ever allow anybody to dig the sand down here, and that rainfall that comes the last time, and it ever find a course to it, then the whole of Great Bay will be gone.
Senator Matthew Samudo, who has responsibility for the environment portfolio, said the quick response was due to the vigilance of law-abiding concerned residents.
We're not turned off by calls. In fact, we don't have the footprint nationally that we really wish we did. So we need citizens to be our eyes and ears in the field. And we encourage you to reach out to us and let us know when there are problems.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
The health minister says the number of COVID cases continues to decline. In its latest clinical summary, the minister said 94 new cases were recorded yesterday from 2,630 samples. A 2-day-old child is among the new cases. The positivity rate is now 8.5%. The positivity rate has been in single digits over the past several days. 5 more deaths were also recorded, pushing the death toll to 2,784. The minister says 7 more deaths are still under investigation. 199 patients are in hospital, with 22 of them severely ill and 4 critically ill. And still ahead in primetime news, we have the business review and international stories, so please stay with us.